There you go, just a little bit of throttle or hold that. Let's pull up. Oh, not too much now, not too much. For 100. Alright, keep walking it.
Check over traffic, Cessna 167 is 5 miles to the west, to the northwest at 1,000 feet inbound for the airfield. Just check, you guys changed to runway 27?
Want to confirm? He's asking that we changed to 27.
Okay, we're traffic Cessna 710 is taxiing on Echo to Alpha to 27, checking.
Stick to the right now. You're not finding your pulse very well. Stick back, stick back. Oh, hold it, hold it. All right, a pretty strong cross. Yep. Yeah, we may be sorry we took off. It's pretty rowdy up here. Yeah, we've got a lot of wind up here. Look at our ground speed. Check over his traffic, Ranger gyro. We're gonna go on a left downwind for 17. We're aware of the teardrop entry on 27. We're gonna try coming in on a full stop on 35. See if that's a little more favorable. Check over his traffic, Ranger gyro. Turning base, short pattern, full stop 35. We'll hold short of 27. Check over his.
Travis Cessna 167 is making a left base for runway 27. Let's go, Jack Edwards.
Jack Edwards, Skyhawk 710, departing runway 27, Jack Edwards traffic.
That's how you land in a lot of crosswind, right there. That was a lot of crosswind. Did you see how slow we were going? Yep, and the upwind wheel touched first. Alright, yeah, this is absolutely no conditions I'm going to allow you to fly in. I'm sorry, man, we tried. Yep. We got suckered into it. Wee doggy. That was a stiff one.